here in Zebra's North American Solution Center, and I'd like to take this opportunity to introduce you to Zebra's next generation of mobile label printer, the QN 320. Zebra's long heritage and deep understanding of the mobile label printing market has led to the development of this particular product. The QN family of products will set a new standard in the mobile label printing market. So let me take in a quick tour of the product. First, let us compare the QL Plus to the new generation QLN product. When compared to the previous generation QL Plus printer, the physical design differences between the two are obvious. For one, the QN 320 is 23% smaller than the QL 320 Plus. But we've maintained many of the key features that led Zebra to its leadership position in the mobile label printing market. For example, we've maintained the same load and go design to make media loading quick and simple. Plus, the QLN printer line is durable and rugged. It resists drops and is resistant to moisture and dirt for those harsh types of application environments. We've also added several new features that make the printer easy to use. For example, we've added a more intuitive peeler, which will automatically peel a label from the media baggie. A new, larger and brighter display. We also have flyway navigation keys and two soft keys that provides for easy navigation through the menu. Plus, we've added the help menu and several alert functions to keep the end user more informed about the printer status. The other consideration we had when we designed the QLN 320 was making it easier to manage. And we did that in a couple of different ways. The first thing we looked at was the battery itself, and we've implemented smart battery technology on the printer. And that does a couple of things for the end user. First, it allows you to determine the health and status of the battery, and that status can be determined locally through the display of the printer, as well as it can be determined remotely through an Ethernet connection, which I'll talk about in a few minutes. The smart battery also allows the end user to proactively manage their spare battery pool, and in some cases, they can reduce the number of batteries they need in their overall operations. The other thing that we've done to make the printer easier to manage was that through a new accessory cradle that we've developed, when plugged in, the QLN can communicate via Ethernet back to an end user's IT organization. And that IT organization can then manage and remotely diagnose any kind of issues related to the printer all through the Ethernet connection. If you'd like to learn more about some of the other features and functions of the QN 320, check out the zebra.com/QN 320.